Alright, part two, what we're doing today on 2015 Pursuit Charger is putting a Wicker bill install on the tail. But this is stuff I was going to do anyway. So I spared you the part where you drill your holes, you line it up, and you put your nut certs in. That's all done. But what I got down was trying to get the paper off, and this is another Wicker bill, another product from American Muscle. Wicker bill that comes with shipping tape. Is kind of pain in the butt to get it off, so we're trying to wet it, the paper, so we can get it off. Stand by and bring you back on to actually put the Wicker bill on.